Okay, so you're planning on buying a house and you need a loan. Where are you going to go to? Are you going to use a mortgage broker, a bank, or maybe look online for a lender? There's a lot to consider. I'm Karrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor, and I'm going to help you with that today. So let's get to it. Okay, so today we are going to get the lender questions answered from an expert in the field, Paul Olbranz, a California mortgage broker with clear-to-close-brokers.com. So how does working with a broker like you differ from going to a bank or an online lender?
Yeah, that's a wonderful question. Thank you for asking. I think we chose brokers. Let me just take a back step here. Each one's going to have a little bit of an advantage. Let me give you an example. I used to work at a big bank. Wonderful place to work. They did one thing extremely well. And what that one thing was, in a nutshell, is that if you have assets with them, they're going to give you discount pricing. So you can't really beat their rates anywhere because you hold so much funds. Now, outside of that, with the broker model, what we have is we have choices. And let me give you an example. So if you have a friend out there that goes, hey, I went to this bank over here and this bank was great, and that friend of yours had $500,000 with a big bank, and they said you should go to that bank and get the best rates, but you went there and you did not have $500,000, or maybe your credit score was a little bit lower and that banks didn't really have an appetite for your type of loan. Does that make sense? What's going to happen is you're going to end up paying higher, but as a broker, we have multiple companies that we can fit your personal criteria in to ensure that you get the best rates. Online lenders, I don't know. I'm kind of like, I still haven't really, some are really good, but they're really telemarketers. They're really interested in you getting your application in, not really going over the fees, not really going over points and stuff like that. I get a lot of people that come to me from my real estate partners, financial planner partners that started online and just were a little bit misled about the total closing cost. It's absolutely insane. So, if I was a family, I think we talked about this, I would get pre-approved with a broker, a credit union, and a big bank, just to ensure that I'm going to get the best interest rate and the best service.
Okay, so that's really good to know, Paul. So one thing I was thinking about, though, and I could be wrong about this, right or wrong, I'm not sure, but let's say you did have $500,000 in a bank. I'm pretty sure they're only going to give you a discount if you're not removing that $500,000 to pay for the house that you're purchasing. Is that right?
Yes, that's absolutely correct. I mean, they're basically giving you a discount to keep your funds with them so they can invest your funds and make money there as well. So you're going to win here. You're probably going to lose here. I don't know. That's just my opinion. That's my experience.
Okay, that's what I thought. Thank you. Well, thank you, Paul. That information is so helpful to the viewers. If people would like to ask you something, how can they get a hold of you?
Fantastic, Karrie. I would love that. It's really easy. You can either go to my website, which is www.myhomeloanteam.com, myhomeloanteam.com, or just give me a call, 707-494-7017. Would love to connect with you.
Thank you, Paul, for providing all that information. And if you'd like more information about living in Marin County or some information regarding all of the recent real estate changes, check out the videos that should be showing right now. Hey, and please subscribe. It helps. Thank you for watching and have a great day.